Welcome to the 12 Days of Glam Holiday Styling Series. Guys, in a prelude to this series, I share with you my Mo Better Blues Dollar Tree design. It was perfect and fitting in that it gave nod to my home team, Dallas Cowboys, and it also fit with the color scheme and design that I was using for the space at hand. Now here you guys, this tree was designed entirely using Dollar Tree items. It's absolutely amazing and fabulous as it was. But the goal here is to share with you how you can take a look and just continue to elevate it and create something beautiful on each level. So here with the $25 budget in hand and creativity in mind, this was my $25 Dollar Tree design. But being the royal stylist that I am, I wanted to elevate the look just a bit. And I added these beautiful opulent royal blue poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. Again, keeping my look cohesive and consistent from top to bottom. I absolutely loved the look that I created. It's beautiful and definitely would be a showstopper as is. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Keeping with this Mo Better Blues design in mind, I knew that there was more that I could do with this look. Although I loved it as it was, simply adding the floors, take it to another level. But you guys, to give it that ultimate royalty look that you all know me for, I went to the ultimate level of glam with this design. I pulled in items that I already had and just layered on to what I'd already created, adding these beautiful ornaments, some more ribbon, a few more picks, and I am thoroughly satisfied with the way it turned out. Now this fits the Royalty brand to a T. So please allow me to introduce you to Mo Better Blues. You guys, when designing this space, I took my love into consideration. Blue being his favorite color, this being the space where he spends most of his relaxation time, I wanted to give it a nice, sophisticated, yet masculine feel. So, keeping his color in mind and the vibe that I wanted to create, I came up with Mo Better Blues. Hubby did not want to part with his mini fridge, and he shouldn't have to, so the compromise was, as opposed to doing a full-size tree, I'll just take one of my 4.5 feet trees and give it a royal design. And that is exactly what we did with this makeover. I simply pulled in ornaments from my previous collection. I gave the topper an over-the-top refresh with this reindeer as the centerpiece and began to layer on the designs in the space, keeping it again cohesive and flowing space by space. Just because it's a small space doesn't mean you can't make a big impact. By simply changing my pillow covers, adding a few cozy throws, a few splashes of the holiday cheer here and there, and I have Mo Better Blues. Guys, this space is perfect for a cozy movie night, hanging out with family and friends. If the hubby wants to come in and indulge in gaming, whatever he chooses to do, this space still allows him to do that, but it gives me that nice opulent look and feel that I wanted for the holidays. So sometimes in designs, if you're a glamonista, you have to learn the art of compromise when it comes to your loved ones. Although I love royalty and opulence throughout my home, I have to consider that I'm not the only one that dwells here. So I created this beautiful garland, you guys, with a 90% off garland I picked up from Hobby Lobby, layered on some ribbon that flowed from the tree, a few leftover ornaments, and it was set. For the sofas, I just layered on some pillows. This Merry Christmas pillow from Ross, I've had it a couple of years, a few cozy throws so that when we want to kick back and relax and watch a movie, we have everything we need at hand. And we all absolutely love this space. The blue pillows are from Home Goods. The throws are from Ross. Here I am giving you another angle of the tree. Hubby still has access to his beverage station. This beautiful plaid ribbon is from the At Home store. The Silent Night, I believe I got it from Michael's. Of course, everything was purchased on sale. You know me. One of my commandments of design is thou shalt not pay retail. Now, guys, this has to be my favorite piece in the space. This was a wedding gift from my mother-in-law. And so fitting. In our home, we put God first. We count our blessings. We have faith. We say please and thank you. We trust. We believe in miracles. We pray always. Forgive as we have been forgiven. Make a difference. Give thanks. Work hard. Dream big. And give second chances. And we love one another. That is the perfect family quote, if I do say so myself. So it would be a staple in my home. But you guys, I just love the way the tree turned out on every level. But of course, this royalty level reigns supreme in my opinion. And again, it is a small tree, but I definitely made a big impact. I just layered on different shades of blue, different tones, different textures of it, and it just came together beautifully. Same as with the sofas. I paired navy blues, royal blues, all the shades of blues to give me this nice, cohesive, cozy look and feel. On my candle holders, my wall sconces, I simply added ornaments as opposed to the candles. I think it just gave a nice little festive touch to the space because this is where we gather and spend time with each other. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. This velvet blue pillow cover is from Amazon. The gray pillows are from Burlington. All right, guys, if you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, the 12 days of Glam is off to an amazing start, and there is so much more to share with you. Now, to my brand new boos and my tried and trues, I want to sincerely thank you all. You know that I so appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. If you have not already connected with me on my other social media platforms, I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Y'all, please hit the notification bell because I have so much more to share with you. This is just video number 2, and the countdown is on. I have some amazing color schemes, some amazing DIYs, centerpieces, entryway styling, tree styling, so many wonderful holiday ideas and inspirations to share. So you don't want to miss a single upload. Now, guys, I want you all to please stay safe. Always remain royal. And until the next video, have yourself a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!